So at this site behind me, we had over 2,000 mil of rain in just over 6 days as part of ex-cyclone Jasper. You can see we're nearly finished the stabilisation works where we've had over 1.5 kilometres of soil nails that have been installed. So the next steps here is we're about to start our piling works. We have 30 piles on the bottom bench and now we start into the works to start to bring this site back up to road level. Although you might not be able to see much from the roadway or wonder where the workers are, you can see from this operation behind me how significant this is and how extensive some of our sites are across the Far North Road network. We're working as quickly as possible in all conditions and trying to get the job done as safely and quickly as possible. I'd ask road users to obey speed signs, the temporary traffic measures in place and protect our workers so that you and us get home safely.